Prime Minister Narendra Modi ki asan Mityeng Makhada Chatharakliba tuan campaign Singna Manipur da development purakpada Chaona Mateng Pangli hena Manipuri Governor Prime Minister Buthakat Krai Hauki ba September ki tang 13 gi hawduna numit 15 sumna leibak asigi mafam khudimakta Chatharakpa Nation First at 75 campaign state asida sunga siloisin Krai Planning Department Sinduna Felix Compound University Convention Center the Pangthokiba campaign lotion bagi thoramadu da Manipuri Governor amadi lenga ki makok thongba official sing saruk yaki thoramadu gi athoiba mitunglen gi warol pireduna Governor na hai mit tara mangani sumna sathakiba campaign sing Nari Shakti Fit India Vocal for Local ADP and ABP PM Janman Atmanirbhar Bharat Skill India Jandhan Yojana Lifestyle for Environment Nasina Singba Sing Asigi Manungsana Cleanliness Drive Cycle Rally Tree Plantation Singba Pangthoki Basina Aruibanate Aikoi Kudimaki Togdang ni Kana Makhada na Thabak Adumak Pangthokminasi Akoi bigi Pibam Luna na Thamna ba Amadi Iromdom Lepsa Bangamna Pandam da Prime Minister na Hawdorokliba Campaign Singasi Manipuri gi Oina Yam na Singthangai Oi Amarom October ki tang ani Gandhi Jayanti numit ka mari lenena Mahatma Gandhi na salamba lambida maki wakolon na do aikoi na tung induna satsi maning tambalebak ama oina bahona bada iho kya hingsa yauduna sathaki ba lusingba sigi matauk tamjasi haiki Tharomgi sarok amoina College of Nursing Churuchanpur amasung College of Nursing Thaubalgi BSc Nursing course sing hangdokki bagaloina Nursing College building sanabsu urep yung tamki
Today's event also recognizes the achievements of urban local bodies in the Swachh Bharat Mission 2.0. I am proud to share that all 27 urban local bodies in Manipur are now ODF, with several advancing to ODF Plus and ODF Plus Plus. Jiribam municipality achieving ODF Plus Plus and also a 3-star rating under the Garbage Free Cities Protocol, while Imphal municipality attaining 1-star rating is commendable. Every urban local body to now aim for the 7-star standard, which will ensure sustainable waste management and healthier living conditions for our people. It's an habit which needs to be developed, encouraged over a period of time. Then only it becomes a 7-star standard.